The development and application of RFID in home appliance production are significant. It has driven the automation of production processes, improved quality control, optimized inventory management and logistics, as well as enhanced after-sales service and maintenance. Through RFID technology, manufacturers can improve production efficiency, product quality, and customer satisfaction, achieving a higher level of intelligent manufacturing and management. Let's explore several case studies of RFID in home appliance production. Production process management. RFID technology plays a critical role in production process management. It utilizes wireless communication and radio frequency identification principles to store information in RFID tags, which can be read and written using RFID readers. For example, in refrigerator production, each refrigerator is equipped with an RFID tagged product. By scanning the tags with RFID readers along the production line, real-time information about the assembly, testing, and debugging stages of the refrigerator can be recorded. This helps monitor production progress, identify any issues in the production process, and achieve automation and traceability of the production process. Quality control and testing. RFID technology can be used for quality control and testing in home appliance production. By integrating RFID tags with sensors, automated quality control and testing processes can be achieved by reading the information on the tags for parameter adjustments and test condition settings. For example, in washing machine production, each washing machine is equipped with an RFID tag that stores information such as water level, spin speed, and power consumption. By reading the information on the RFID tags using RFID readers, the system can perform quality control and testing based on set standards, ensuring that the washing machines meet the required quality and performance standards. Inventory management and logistics tracking. RFID technology can be utilized for inventory management and logistics tracking in home appliance production. Each home appliance product is equipped with an RFID tag containing a unique identification code, allowing real-time tracking and management of inventory through RFID readers in warehouses and logistics processes. For instance, in television production, each television is accompanied by an RFID tag with a unique identification code. By scanning the tags with RFID readers in the warehouse, the incoming, outgoing, and inventory status of the televisions can be recorded in real time. During the logistics process, scanning the RFID tags on the televisions with RFID readers enables tracking of their location and status, such as in transit, being delivered, or already delivered. After-sales service and maintenance. RFID technology provides more efficient means for after-sales service and maintenance of home appliances by quickly identifying product information and maintenance history through RFID tags. For example, in air conditioning production, each air conditioner is equipped with an RFID tagged product. By reading the information on the tags using RFID readers, service personnel can quickly identify the air conditioner model, warranty status, and maintenance records. This improves maintenance efficiency, accurately identifies components that need repair or replacement, and provides more precise after-sales service and maintenance. In the future, we can anticipate the trend of RFID technology towards miniaturization, integration, and multifunctionality, making it better suited to the needs of various home appliance products. Additionally, RFID technology will be combined with other technologies such as the Internet of Things, big data analytics, and artificial intelligence to achieve more intelligent home appliance manufacturing and management. This will further enhance production efficiency, quality control, and the level of after-sales service, while driving the home appliance industry towards smart manufacturing and sustainable development.